Welcome back. After visiting the Antara Gange Temple, also known as the South Kashi, we initially thought our trip was coming to an end, and as we headed towards our Sonet, little did we know that there was more in store for us. We learned that Antara Gange mountain encompasses 7 villages, including Therhalli. We made a note to visit this village in the future, as it was known as the suspended village where we plan to enjoy a picnic tea. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Once we took a last glance at the temple, we began our descent. However, along the way, we stumbled upon a deserted path that enticed us to explore the forest. Despite our mom's apprehension and her urge to return to the stone stairs, we were determined to continue our exploration. You're watching humhairahi YouTube channel. We hope you're enjoying this video and our other videos. If you have any questions or suggestions regarding this or any other of our videos, please write us in the comments. We will make sure to reply. The area was surrounded by tall trees, shrubs, and moss-covered rocks, enhancing its natural charm.
नहीं जा सकते हाँ
While making our path down the Antara Gange hill range, following the trails and pathways, we could hear the gentle sound of cascading water in the distance.
You can hear the waterfall now.
As we ventured further, we were captivated by the mesmerizing black rocks scattered throughout the forest, reminiscent of the Black Rock Formation in the UK's Peak District. The sound gradually grew louder, heightening our anticipation for the hidden beauty ahead.
Yeah. হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
We will continue to take our Sonet to different places and discovering its capabilities. Be sure to be subscribed to join our adventures.
Don't be the only one left out in the cold. Be sure to subscribe.
Upon reaching the waterfall, we were greeted by a small stream of water gracefully descending over the rocks, creating a soothing and mesmerizing sight. The waterfall, known for its serenity and picturesque surroundings, attracted visitors seeking respite from the heat or simply looking to enjoy the tranquil ambience. The sound of water rushing over the rocks created a soothing melody, while the cool mist in the air refreshed our senses. Despite being smaller in scale compared to grander waterfalls, the intimate and serene atmosphere of this waterfall captivated everyone's present. The water flowed gently into a small pool at the base, forming a natural oasis. Its crystal clear water tempted us to dip our feet. Even Mom couldn't resist the allure of the water and enjoyed the experience, capturing countless pictures. Sunlight filtered through the foliage, casting a gentle glow on the cascading water and creating a magical ambience. Many visitors found their spots on nearby rocks or the grassy bank, basking in the beauty of the waterfall. After thoroughly enjoying the surroundings and capturing numerous pictures, we retraced our steps back to the stairs and descended to the parking area. It was a perfect place to unwind, meditate, or simply impress ourselves with the tranquility of nature. The lush greenery surrounding the waterfall created a serene and peaceful atmosphere.
Yeah, lots of monkeys. Monkeys were there, but they're friendly.
Yeah, they were not very active.
Yeah, they're good. Good monkeys, friendly monkeys.
As we made our way back to the stone stairs descending towards the parking area, something caught our attention. We noticed another path with stairs, and to our surprise, there were very few people climbing it. Curiosity piqued, and we couldn't help but feel intrigued by this discovery. It seemed that we had missed these stairs on our way up, as they hadn't caught our attention before. Fascinated by the unknown, we made the decision to turn towards these stairs and explore where they would lead us to. Following these stairs, we were led to the truly captivating place where we were granted breathtaking views of the majestic hills. From this vantage point, the scenery unfolded before our eyes, offering us an unparalleled perspective of the surrounding landscape. The views from the spot we were nothing short of magnificent, with the hills stretching out in all their grandeur. At this particular spot, we stumbled upon a group of monkeys, peacefully taking a nap. The sight was both amusing and endearing, as we observed these playful creatures in a state of relaxation. It seemed as though they had found their own tranquil heaven amidst the surrounding beauty. It was an awe-inspiring sight that left us in awe of nature's beauty and reminded us of the vastness and splendor of the world around us. In the upcoming section of the video, we will share the route back from the parking area of Antara Gange to NH75. As we ventured through the narrow roads and streets of Kolara town, we found ourselves immersed in the unique, bustling atmosphere. The roads, flanked by tightly packed buildings and shops, created a sense of intimacy and closeness. The streets were filled with the vibrant energy of the local residents going about their daily lives. The pedestrians weaved their way through the labyrinth of vehicles while bicycles and motorbikes maneuvered skillfully through the limited space. The narrowness of the roads demanded cautious driving as we navigated through tight turns and narrow passages. It required a heightened sense of awareness, ensuring that we didn't encroach upon the space of pedestrians or collide with other vehicles.
Today's Antara Gange day out trip was very good. It's good experience of waterfall, temple, and scenic views.
Finally, we reached and merged into NH75. As we reached NH75, taking advantage of the cloudy weather, we decided to head to another popular and unique destination to have our picnic lunch. Stay tuned for that video. In the meantime, keep exploring, and as always, show your love and support by subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.